have something for you. You ready? Did you get it? It's a gold star. That's right. We will be giving ourselves a golden star. You can do it literally or metaphorically if you wish, but we have been doing so good in all of our habits that the Flylady says to give yourself a golden star. We're also going to be adding another thing to our afternoon routines, and that is drinking water. Make sure you're drinking your water every single day. If you have a water goal that you need to reach, be sure that you are reaching and take the afternoon to remind you. Do you need to catch up to drink some more? I don't know, but you do. So be sure to add that to your routines. And speaking of routines, so far in the morning, we have dress the shoes, make our beds, do a 2-minute hot spot, a 5-minute room rescue, a 15-minute declutter, a 15-minute rest, a 15-minute checking of the email, and LOL, the daily mission. And we just recently added yesterday, swishing and swiping. Be sure to review all of those videos if you need a refresher of each individual step. And for the evening, we have pick out our clothes, shine our sink, do a 2-minute room rescue, a 5-minute hot spot, and get to bed at a decent time. Now we also have the afternoon routine, which is what's for dinner and drink your water. If you want, you can start breaking up your routine between 3 different pieces of paper, but that is completely up to you. If you type it, maybe you can use a smaller font and fit it all in one paper. It's your control journal. Do what works best for you. I've come so far, and I'm so excited to see you all tomorrow for the next one. But if you want to see the Flylady system in action, just to get a sneak peek of how easily things flow together, check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.